In this video, I'm going to explain you recursion tree method for solving recurrence equations. Before applying this method, let's understand what are the steps to solve the recurrence relation by using recursion tree method. So we have to convert our recurrence relation into a binary tree or a tree. After converting my recurrence relation into the tree, I can calculate the value of tree at each node, and then after calculating the value of each node, I can sum up all cost by finding the cost of all levels. To understand this method better, let's take an example. So for example, we are having our recurrence relation this, that is wn is equal to 2wn by 2 plus n square. We know that this relation is representing here the recurrence relation for merge sort. So how can we write solution by using this method? We know that the function of fn, I know that this function, after having this relation, I can understand it that this is my root cost, that n square is my root cost, and this is my recursive call, and this 2 is representing number of branch of the root, and w n by 2 is representing the problem is reducing in each step by 2. So let's draw a tree for first step. So this is in our PPT. Our first step is tree is above the there. Here is my root cost n square, and I have two branches that each is having size n by 2 and n by 2. That is my first step. Now I have to grow this tree to another step. So that for this I have to find the value of wn by 2. From that particular equation of my recurrence relation wn by 2, I can find the value of wn by 2. Let's say wn by 2 equals to 2w n by 4 plus n upon 2 whole square. So I can find the value of wn by 2. So after finding the solution for wn by 2, this is the solution. I can write this equation. So this is my root cost, and this is my number of branch. This 2 is representing number of branch. So I can draw this. This is my second step, tree. Further, I have to solve this wn by 4 by putting the value of n by n by 4 in my main equation. I can write this equation wn4 is equal to 2wn by 8 plus n by 4 square from main equations. I can grow this tree because this is my root cost. So I replace wn by 4 n by 4 square like this, and number of branch of for each node is 2, and like that. At final step, I know that this n by 2, n by 4 will becomes 1 at last step. Now this is my final. This is my final tree. This is my final tree. I have to calculate the cost of each node. For calculating the root cost of each node, I can see that the cost at first 0 level is n square. The total cost at first level after adding n upon 2 square n upon 2, I can write this. After in the next level, I can write this. To finally, I have to sum up all cost, this plus this, like that. So how we can calculate this cost? So we know that at zero step to last step, I can divide total cost into that the cost from zero to second last level plus cost of the last level. So I have to calculate the cost of the last level, that this is my last level. I have to calculate the cost of last level. I know that the cost of each node is 1. So if we multiply total number of nodes by cost of one node at last level, I can find the cost. So to solve this problem, we have to find the depth of this tree. Let's take an example that we know that at the last level, at I level, this this is the reducing problem, which is reducing every time by 2. Here n square, here n upon 2 square, here n by 4 square. So at last it becomes 1. So I know that the problem is reducing by the power of 2. So I can write at last level, it will becomes n upon 2 to the power I. So I know that this reducing term will become 1 at the last level. So I can write that the subproblem size hits 1 when my this value will become 1. So I can write this equation. After solving this equation by taking log of both sides, I can write that I is equal to log n. I know that the value of I is a log n, so I can write the height of this tree is log n. So to find the cost at the last level, I can find that the cost at last level will like this. It means the number of nodes at the last level will becomes 2 to the power of. How we can write this? Suppose here are 1 node, here are 2 node, here are 4 node. The nodes are increasing by the power of 2. So I can write total number of node at the last level will become 2 to the power I. So total cost will be W1 into 2 to the power I. So I have find the value of I, that is a log n. So I can put the value of I to log n. So at finally, I can write total cost of this tree by this equation, that Wn is equal to cost of all level except the last level plus cost of last level, that is represented by this factor. So we know that when we are doing sum of n square plus n upon uh, 1 by 2 n square, 1 by 4 n square. So I can write the relation like that. That summation I equal to 0 to log n minus 1, because I know the second last level is I minus 1. So the value of I is log n. So I can write I minus 1 to log n minus 1. And cost of each level is n upon 2 to the power I plus cost of last level. Last level 2 to the power log n number of nodes into cost of one level W1. So after solving this equation, I can write this. After solving this equation, I can write this. Finally, this becomes 2n square. So cost of this relation becomes big O n square. Thank you.